This set of duos was actually part of a project by a good friend of ours, Paul Dean. At the beginning of the Australian lockdown in March 2020, instead of curling up into a ball like most of us did, Paul challenged himself to write a short piece of music every day for the length of the lockdown. For 70 days, he wrote 10 sets of 7 duos for friends of his, friends and family or colleagues that were in lockdown with another musician. His aim was not only to document every day of the pandemic and keep himself going, but to give us musicians a chance to keep playing, to keep making music. And it was really special for us because I think a lot of people were like me in lockdown and kind of lost their sense of purpose. When concerts were cancelled, they felt really, I guess, empty and aimless. And these duos really gave us all a chance to keep experimenting, keep playing, and keep making music with whoever we had. So these duos were originally written for me and my husband Bernardo, but unfortunately he has suffered an injury. So also, thankfully, I have my wonderful colleague and really good friend, Justin Bullock, to share the performance with me. And we've done quite a few performances of this piece. I think it's something that I'm really proud of, actually, because there aren't really that many great pieces of music for 2 double basses. And this is something that showcases the double bass really well, but also has a lot of really interesting components and is, of course, really meaningful to me. Every set of duos, every duo in itself depicts a day in lockdown, so a day with Paul Dean, I guess. We have a few different stories behind each one. One is a very political statement. One of them is an homage to Jimi Hendrix. And we've got one that's in memoriam to a movie star that Paul really adored. So we've got a huge range of ideas behind each one. And I'm really looking forward to going through them with you and including Justin talking a little bit about what we think about certain techniques that are involved in playing this piece, and really looking forward to sharing it with you.